Hey guys! So welcome back to our channel. We are back with a new challenge. This is actually in collaboration with one of our YouTube friends. Her channel name is Nina G, and we'll go ahead and link down her video. So we're gonna be doing the Blindfold slime challenge, and they're gonna be doing the no bowl slime challenge. So which one do you think is harder?
No bowl. You
think so?
No, like no bowl, like they
like no bowl. They can see, but they have no bowl, and we have a bowl, but we can't see.
You're gonna have a hard time to clean up.
That's true.
But you know, get yourself some Bounty. Paper towels, non-sponsored.
Hashtag not sponsored. It's a recipe that we looked up. Is called a fluffy slime. So I don't know. It seemed pretty simple.
Straightforward.
Yeah. Well, we hope actually. So it consists of baking soda. It consists of glue, shaving cream. I think we got enough. We just got the little ones, and then contact lens solution, and then water. So that's it. We forgot to get food coloring, so our slime's gonna have to be plain white. So it's okay.
That's boring. So
basically, what we are gonna do, me and Carlos are gonna be blindfolded, and Babe over here is gonna read the directions, but he's not allowed to help us. Start off by reading the directions, Babe. Go to the
2/3
I want the picture.
Yeah. Cup of Elmer's white glue.
2/3? Okay.
Yeah.
So here's the glue. Hold the glue. Hold on, don't open it. Don't open it.
How do you know? How do you see, Mom?
I don't see. 2/3?
Yep.
Okay, so I think it's this one.
Oh, I'm not really doing it.
Squeeze the glue.
2/3 of a cup.
Yeah.
Squeeze?
Oh my god, it's close, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on, Carlos. Hold the cup, don't lose it, okay? Oh my god, we should
have the cup. Yes, I have it. It's in my hand.
Oh.
I put it back. And you already can't see anything.
I know, neither can I, honey. Hold on, I'm gonna put it and then you pour. Okay, squeeze.
Where is it?
Squeeze. Is it squeezing out?
I don't know.
Hold on, stop. It's not squeezing out.
How do I know? How do you know that, Mom?
Because I don't feel it. Okay, go, let it go. Hold it. Hold the, no, don't squeeze. Hold the cup, okay?
There's some glue in it.
I know, but hold the cup from right here. I feel like it would have been easier if I did it by myself. Okay, hold it, don't move it.
How do you?
Oh my god. Okay, I think whoa, I think that's barely, okay. So, Carlos, pour it in the bowl. Do you feel the bowl right here? Pour it. It's 2/3, right, babe?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Don't touch anything else, because I'm afraid you're gonna. Don't let go.
Is it even in the bowl?
Hold up the cup again.
Right here?
Yeah. Don't let it go. Don't touch anything, please. Okay, what's next, babe?
Half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Baking soda?
Baking soda.
Do you mind giving me a paper towel?
I actually do mind because I'm not supposed to help.
I think my hands are good. Yeah.
Alright, I'll get you one. Get your paper towel. Go on, boy.
Guys, if you guys see me, link down below if you can.
Okay, so what was this teaspoon measurement?
Half teaspoon.
Why can't I just do anything? I'm not doing anything, guys.
Okay, I think you're just messing with me. Where's the thing?
Can I pour it?
Yeah, hold on.
Where is it?
Hold on.
Have it.
Okay, do you have it? No, I'm gonna tell you where to pour it.
I don't have it.
Are you laughing at us?
Yeah.
Pour it in here!
I don't have it.
Okay, I just poured it. It's okay. Okay, then what's next? Carlos, did you just drop it? Oh my god, don't drop it. Okay, what's next?
Quarter cup of water.
Where's the water?
No, we did good. 2/3 cup of water, right?
A quarter cup of water.
Oh, 4th. Why couldn't you just say it like that?
Oops.
Can I hold it?
No, hold on.
Every Juanita Barnes.
Oh.
I'm guessing you spilled it.
Okay, hold on. Okay, what's next, babe?
Guys.
Oh my god,
2/3.
2/3 of
What?
2 to 3 cups shaving cream.
You guys can see it.
You're gonna move it.
That's gonna move it.
Okay. Squeeze, not squeeze. Do you see here? Press it down and put it forward. Okay, stop.
Oh, that was a challenge.
Okay, let me see it.
I don't think we're doing it right.
Can you see?
Kind of.
I can't see. I'm like actually not cheating because I cheat a lot. I'm not gonna lie.
I actually can kind of see and it's not my fault, so I'm not cheating.
Babe, you would have not been able to do this challenge. Huh?
I don't like getting my hands dirty.
Press that again. Carlos in the cup. Where's
No,
it? Where's
it's just
it?
like,
Have it.
Okay, press it
like I
again.
can't touch food or like
It's not coming out.
stuff like that. Like glue. When
Hold on,
people put
Carlos.
glue on their hands, I think that's gross. I don't mind working and like, you know, like when you get your hands dirty at work, that's way different. But like, when it's like food, I hate touching food with my hands. Like with me, you know, or like eating wings. I can't eat wings like.
He eats them with
like
a fork.
Yeah, I gotta eat them with a fork, like boneless.
And boneless, yeah.
Boneless. I can't.
Okay, so 2 to 3 cups. We'll do 2 just to make sure. Okay, what's next there?
1.5 tablespoons contact lens solution.
Tablespoons.
It's that one.
Yeah,
You
I have
see.
Yeah, I can see, but I can't really fix it.
Babe, I swear to God, if you.
I didn't take it.
What?
Are you sure you didn't take?
What
On a
are
baby?
you
On a
looking
baby.
for?
Oh, here it is. Is it like a spray? Oh my God, I should have done this. Do you open it?
I think
Twist
I
it?
can see it.
Okay, you do that.
Okay.
Babe, you're seriously gonna let Anne open it?
Well, you can see I can't. Let me see. Okay, let me see it.
Which one? I'm twisting it open.
Are you really?
Yeah.
There, I got it.
Oh, you can't see. Put your blindfold down.
Where's that? Carlos, stop moving me! Okay, so in the half. There, I think that's like half. Okay, well, what's next? That's it?
This one.
Try to mix it.
I don't know what it is, but it's like,
Mix it.
it's, ¿cómo se llama?
It's weird.
There's a piece of string in it.
Weird, like, it's like.
I feel like I put too much glue.
Put more contact solution.
Are you messing with me? You are, huh?
But it's funny.
Hey, you know what? Take off the blindfold. Because I think like I'm done with it.
I actually think it's cool having you blindfolded.
Time to take off the blindfold.
Is it done?
Along with my eyebrows.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Take it off. You can take it off. I know. Okay, so it's really sticky. So does it say to add more contact?
I just found an eyebrow.
Shut up.
It just said, yeah. Or you can put some baby oil or some lotion in your hand, but I don't want to get up and get it.
Do you want to play with it? See if it gets stuck on your hand?
I'm not.
I'm down to play with it. Actually,
I think we got it. No,
good.
yeah. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick and then I'm gonna come back to see if it'll work. Okay, let's see if it works. So here's your piece. Hold on.
Yeah, it's slime. So funny. It literally looks like whipped cream.
Oh, I didn't mix it good. Do you think that's how it's supposed to look, babe?
Nah, but you know what it looks like?
What?
It looks like marshmallows.
Yes! When they're like kind of melted.
Have you ever made s'mores?
No.
Oh, you're
Remember?
so sad. That's true.
Okay, well, I don't know if we did something wrong, but it's kind of sticky. I think we might have added a little bit too much glue. But for the fluffy part, it is really fluffy.
Yeah.
Like really fluffy.
It looks fluffy.
And it looks like marshmallows. But I think, I don't know, on a scale of like, 1 to 10, what do you think, guys? How can you fall?
How could you fall over that, bro?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you think I did?
I just like a 10. Cause
really?
Yeah, you were getting like...
I think, what was the hardest part what did you see me struggle with the most?
Finding the right cup sizes.
Hey guys, so it is actually the next day. Our camera turned off and we had difficulty with the battery, like it wasn't charging, so that's why we couldn't end the video yesterday. But the slime was actually a success. After it like settled down, it actually worked. But I just want to thank Nina for collabing with us on this challenge. Make sure to check out her video. I will link down her video for this collab and her channel, so you guys can go check her out. Make sure and give her a like and comment and subscribe to her channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little collab slash challenge, and if you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure and do and hit that post notification, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye. Can you say bye, Juanito?